Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to wipe the data of any Android phone. First of all, what you have to do is head over to your settings application. You'll see a page like this. All you have to do is scroll below until you see General Management. It'll be on the lower section. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now at this page, scroll below until you see Reset. If you do not find Reset here, you can also search for it. In my case, I have Reset right here. So let's go ahead and open it, and you will see various options. One is resetting all settings, mobile network, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, or simply reset your factory, meaning you're going to have to factory data reset. It will wipe out all the data that you have in your test device. If you would like to perform any of these actions, tap onto it, and all you have to do is confirm your action. It says all the data will be erased from your phone, including these stuff that you see at the screen. Likewise, go ahead, confirm your action if you would like to do so. If not, you can simply reset some of the settings. And just like so guys, this is how it's done. Thank you for watching.